Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PTON. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day in this one. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I am doing so just to build some context here. But a very impressive bounce on this one. I mean, you stop and think about the fact that at one point the price was all the way down there, and now the price has been able to battle back up to where it has. Now, don't get me wrong. There's still a lot of work that needs to be done. But point being, from where it was to where it was able to bounce up to, good solid bounce. And then when it comes to, moving forward now, it's just a question of, okay, yeah, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. So to help us answer this question, the level that really stands out to me is this area down here at the 98.50 mark. Why is 98.50 important? I'm not saying at all this is what's going to actually happen, but just for explanation's sake, if the price were to come down there, behave in that manner, and then continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal point of view, that would quite literally be putting the price right back to where it was near those lows. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Now, to be fair, no pricing goes straight up. So maybe the price does still need to pull back here a little bit. But in this situation, behave like that and then start to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have lows right there if you envision each one of those as stair steps. Well, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as $98.50. So definitely keep a close eye on that. Now, if the upwards move is going to continue, where are some of these levels of resistance at? First key area of resistance is going to be right up here at the 108.50 mark. And then after 108.50, let me squeeze things down here a little bit. Next key overarching level after that would be up here right around the 115.75 mark. So keep an eye on those couple of areas going forward. But all in all, very impressive bounce. Now it's just a question of, can the price build upon this bounce moving forward? Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.